Have you ever found yourself staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m., wishing for the gift of a simple, restful sleep? If you're a senior, I know how it feels. Nights can get longer and sleep can seem just out of reach. But before reaching for another sleeping pill, let me share something that's worked wonders for many, nature's very own sleep helpers. I'm talking about 7 powerful foods you can eat to invite sleep back into your life, gently, safely, and naturally. These aren't magic potions, but time-tested gifts from the earth that could help you sleep like a baby again. First up, almonds. These little nuts are rich in magnesium, a mineral that relaxes muscles and calms the mind. A small handful before bed might just be your secret weapon. Next, warm milk. It's not just an old wives' tale. The tryptophan in milk helps your body produce melatonin, the hormone that tells you it's time to rest. Sometimes the simplest rituals are the most powerful. Third, tart cherries. These are naturally high in melatonin. Try a small glass of tart cherry juice in the evening. It's delicious, and it just might be the nudge your body needs. Fourth, bananas. Not only do they taste great, but bananas are packed with potassium and magnesium. These minerals help your muscles relax and prepare your body for deep, restful sleep. Fifth, oatmeal. Yes, really, oats are a gentle source of melatonin and complex carbs that can help you drift off. A warm bowl with a sprinkle of cinnamon can feel like a hug from the inside. Sixth, kiwi. Studies show that eating kiwi before bed can help you fall asleep faster and sleep longer. It's a sweet, simple snack that works wonders. And finally, herbal teas. Chamomile and passion flower tea have both been used for generations to soothe nerves and signal that it's time to wind down. Sip slowly, let the warmth settle in, and notice your eyelids growing heavy. Here's the thing. Sleep is sacred, and you deserve to reclaim it. These foods aren't just ingredients. They're gentle reminders to care for yourself in ways that feel natural and kind. If you're tired of restless nights, give these a try. They might just help you find that peaceful sleep you've been longing for. And if you have your own sleep tips or favorite bedtime snacks, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story, and maybe, together, we can help each other rest a little easier.